Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how you can write research papers with Chatgpt. So what you have to do is just go to the chat.openai.com and of course you have to be logged into your Chatgpt account. And right here, as you can see, we have this option to send a message, and we are going to tell the AI to write an essay for us. So I just typed in here, write a 200 words research paper on artificial intelligence, and I'm just going to hit send right here. So as you can see, the AI bot just started to write that research paper for us. So it is very important that you do not use this to copy paste the paper research, and just use it for referencing, just to have some ideas from here, but do not copy and paste the entire paper research. So as you can see, our research is ready. We have the introduction right here, applications of AI, and so on, conclusion. So this is all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.